G.S.B Seva Mandal 69th Ganeshotsav celebration palita with us we have Indian novelist Shobhaa Day ma'am. We have always been seeing you on various television channels, social media, everywhere. Today we are witnessing you here at the Pendal. So after seeing Bappa, how do you feel ma'am?
I was here last year. This is your 69th year. And last year when I came here, Bappa called me back again this year and will call me back every year. That's the power of this mandal. And that's the power of the sense of community that it builds. And I'm so impressed by the organizational skills of every single volunteer, those who come from across the world. And the topmost professionals, whether they're doctors, chartered accountants, bankers, they come here because of Bappa and to give back to the community something of value and meaning. And the way this is organized, I think it's something that Harvard should do a case study on how supremely well it's done. There's no glitch. And people are happy, no one is doing dhakka, no one is pushing you. You can have aram se darshan. The shringar is imaginative and out of this world and so meaningful. It's not just putting flowers somewhere. Every single thing has a meaning. So for the younger generation to be exposed to our tradition, our culture and our religious beliefs is very important. So I'm here with my daughter and my 2 grandchildren and 2 daughters. And last year my husband was here. So as a GSB, I just feel my heart fills with enormous pride and love for all that we are achieving, what we are going to achieve in the years to come. Thank you so very much for...
Thank you so much. Ganapati Bappa.
Moria.
Thanks a lot ma'am. Thank you.